Come on the screen by pressing shift key plus restart, and you will be redirect to this page. Okay, here go to option troubleshoot, then advanced option, then UEFI firmware setting, and restart. Okay guys, here go for a boot option and make sure to disable the secure boot option. Okay, and come to the pen drive listed below, make it to first position. Let me do that. Okay, by making the pen drive for first position, save and exit the setting. Here guys, you can see the screen. There are 3 operating systems we have. ISO files we have pasted in before. Okay, let's go with Kali Linux. Okay, enter. Boot in normal mode, so it will run in persistent mode. Okay, it's not giving that. Okay, in this way you are able to access Kali. So this is our parent operating system, particularly used for penetration testing and ethical hacking purpose, parallel with kernel Linux, Kali Linux. I think you are able to see the screen clearly. Okay, in this way, let's make start. So in this way, which OS you want to make in use, you can go with that. Okay, thank you guys.